I love me some Valentine's Day. What I got up in here? Ooh, this is pretty. It smells so good.
24 seconds, yeah, you better not stop. You got 24 seconds, can you beat the shot? What you waiting on, little daddy? I ain't got that much time. You seem anxious, you seem adamant, but you ain't pressed my line.
Welcome back to another video. This is Faith's Fun House and Mommy Vlogs. If you're new to my channel, comment, like, and subscribe. Make sure you turn on your post notifications so that way when I upload a video, you will not miss out. So let's get into the video. And by the way, happy Valentine's Day to all the lovers in the land. Okay, so I am doing a quick Valentine's Day makeup look. So you already saw the title, so we're gonna get right into this video, guys. So as of right now, I already applied my moisturizer to my face. My eyebrows are already done, and I'm just going to apply my makeup. So the first thing I'm going to be using is this palette. It's really colorful. It has a lot of colors in it, and I'm going to be using a white color just to go inside of my corners of my eyes. And then I'm going to be using my Real Technique brush. This is my eyeshadow brush I'm going to be using. And I'm going to be using this palette. It was only $1.99 from your local beauty supply store, okay? So just because things are less expensive, instead of buying a palette for $50 or $30, hop onto the beauty supply store. They got all the supplies for less money, y'all. $1.99 for this palette. And guess what? I used it. And I worked it, and I worked my little magic, and it did wonders. Okay, so I applied the pink eyeshadow color, and that was like in the color of the hot pink color. And I'm just applying that to my eyelids. So I'm just buffing that in as I go. Buffing, 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 blending, 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 blending away. I wasn't really sure of what I wanted to do, but I knew that, you know, Valentine's Day, we got to do maybe a pink, maybe a red. I wasn't really sure. So as I was just going along, I was like, let me try to create something. And that's what I did. I kind of created this look. I wasn't really sure. So I was like, I'm going to see wherever the wind takes me, y'all.
But she don't love me, she too scary. My hope is fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down.
So I'm using that same color under my eyes, and I'm just going to be doing each eye in that same pink.
In the meantime, it's some me time. Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mark of the New York the shelf. Now my bitch is Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna go try and get a little maybe. In the meantime, it's some me time. I don't know if you know.
Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months.
Okay, so, you know, it's Valentine's Day, and I had to eat me some chocolate Hershey Kisses just because it's Valentine's Day. So I just took a couple, you know, I had that in my little Valentine's bag, and I just ate a little couple, you know, maybe 1, 2, maybe 3, 4, maybe 5. I'm just kidding. I just had maybe 2. And they were so yummy, y'all. You know, on Valentine's Day, you just gotta have you some chocolates, y'all. Okay, it be so yummy, y'all. For real, for real. Okay, moving right along. So now I am going over my eyes, and I think I'm gonna just draw a line over my eyes. I was trying to hold still. My liner was skipping, and I'm like, oh, I hate this. I'm so upset. But I made it work, y'all. Like, I just kept going around it. You know, my liner that I was using, and I got it from Sephora, and I'm kind of disappointed in Sephora because it was skipping like really, really, really bad. So I gotta switch up on another wing liner. Comment down below, let me know what kind of wing liners you all use. I know NYX is a really, really great one. It's less, you know, it's not a lot, it's real affordable. So I gotta go makeup shopping, and I'm gonna take you guys along. That's gonna be in another video. And yeah, so this Sephora liner was not working. And I was kind of mad. The brand is Sephora, but I heard a lot of good things about it, and it wasn't working for you girls. So I was like, I'm really upset about this. You know how you try things and, you know, everybody else tries it, but I'm the type of person, I have to try things. But this liner wasn't giving me no justice, so I had to keep going over it because it kept skipping. So yeah, I'm gonna go probably pick up a couple of liners, probably because I know I'm used to NYX, so I like to use what I know. So it's good to use what you know. But anyway, yeah, so I was trying to make some little, like a big old wing, and y'all gonna see. Just stick around. Y'all gonna see what I'm gonna do. So at this point, I'm just doing a little highlight on my face, my forehead, my nose. And I'm just going to start blending everything in. I had to kind of contour my nose, y'all, make my nose slimmer, make my cheeks slimmer, my chin a little narrow, you know. So that's what I'm doing in this scene right here, y'all. Trying to contour my face because I have such a round face. And I was just trying to, you know, make everything a little smaller and slim, okay, if you know what I mean. All right, let me just hush and let y'all enjoy the rest of the music.
Focus on me, baby. Can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, you're stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately, I've been a little better. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus?
Okay, so I was trying to make me some hearts, and like I said, my llama was skipping, and I was like, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get through this. So I had to kind of go over it twice. I was trying to make me a couple of hearts, and I was just taking my time going over it like a few times because my, you know, kept drying up, it kept skipping. So I kind of was able to do it because I had to go over it like over and over. I was trying to shape me some little hearts, and I kind of made it work. I like my little heart. It looked kind of cute. I must say it looked kind of cute. Comment down below. Let me know what y'all think so far. Let me know what y'all think. Drop some comments. Let me know. Ask me some questions, y'all.
Trips, come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm beside myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. I want you on the scene. Think you know your girl's so funny to me. That's why you didn't got left by one time. Got tired of you.
Okay, so this is the finished look, y'all. I'm just spraying in my setting spray, and voila. Do y'all like my look? Comment down below. Let me know if y'all like it. Y'all like my hearts? I think I had about 4 hearts, or maybe 3 hearts. I did 2 hearts on each eye, and the other side was like 3 hearts. Thank y'all so much for supporting your girl. I will see y'all in the next video. Comment, like, subscribe, join the fam. And I will see y'all in the next one. Bye. Comment, like, and subscribe.